Last week, I made Gizdodo for my 3-year-old. His 7-month-old brother, who is toothless by the way, wanted some too. So what did I do? I made his version for him. So this week, I am sharing that recipe with you. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining me today. If you're new here, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you are prompted every time I post a new video. To the returning subscribers, I say thank you for always being here. Without wasting time, our ingredients are chicken gizzards. We will also use ripe plantain, which I have diced and washed properly. I'll also use blended tomatoes and blended onions. I have here turmeric powder and rosemary. Also, here are some diced carrots. I also have here some cooking oil, and last but not the least, palm oil. So to begin, I'll steam my chicken gizzards. Right now I'm adding some blended onions. I'm adding fish powder to give it some flavor, and then turmeric powder and my rosemary. Then I'll add enough water so it boils to become very tender. So once my chicken gizzards are cooked and to the right tenderness, I'll set that aside. I will place a saucepan on medium-low heat and add a tablespoon of cooking oil and a tablespoon of palm oil. Once it's a little heated up, I'll add my blended tomatoes, now I'll add my diced carrots and my plantain. My already cooked gizzards would also go in for extra tenderness. Then I'll give it a stir. Then I'll go ahead and add some more water and leave it to cook for 10 minutes. Once cooked, blend and feed your baby with it at room temperature. Send ya me bani enjoy yenwahu. Eseweni enso kachiri. Puree it to your preferred or appropriate consistency and allow your baby to enjoy this yummy goodness. I hope you try this baby-friendly Gizdodo for your babies and let me know in the comment section how they enjoyed it. Until we meet again next week, keep feeding our bloomers with nutritiously yummy homemade food and keep blooming.